हमारे में क्लिक किया लेकिन हुआ नहीं। हेलो, रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन हो गई?
Yes, sir.
नहीं दिख रही है। Okay, so designing of rule basis include the first the choice of process and state variable, uh, input and output variables, and rule antecedent and subsequent contents, and the process term sets means what are the ranges for suppose we select the low membership function, medium membership function, and high membership function. Three term sets are there in each control input and output. So these type of term sets are also to be selected during designing the rule basis, and we for appropriate control we need to derive the different sets of rules which can satisfy our control requirement. So here one example is there. Suppose we have a negative big error, and suppose negative big error means the reference is actually the speed is 0 at that time, and reference is negative. Then and the change of error is negative big means also the error is increasing in negative direction means the reference negative reference is also increasing. Or you can say that negative big error is increasing, that is being negative big. So actually the speed is increasing but our reference is negative, so the error will also increase, and we need to bring the speed to the negative side, but speed is being positive, so there will be a change in the error which will increase with the time. So change of error is negative big means negative error is there and negative error is increasing. So then the action will be taken positive big means the action will be to increase the speed of the controller. Take the action such that the controller provides the negative speed. So these are some set of rules, and here the error is defined by E. Change of error is denoted by del E, and the sum of error is denoted by sigma. So here you can see that the error is defined by the result of minor of individual sample at any time, output the sample of output at any time. So the error is the reference. Suppose we have the reference voltage and actual voltage of the controller, actual voltage of the converter is Vk, and Vd is our reference voltage. Then the error will be Vd minus Vk. Okay, and here you have the difference of error, that is the derivative type of control error. So here Ek and the previous sample is subtracted to each other. So Ek minus 1 will define the del Ek. Now here the integral term. So integral term is actually the error till that previous sample the total of the errors up to previous sample, and the error at the case sample. So error up to sum of the total error up to case k minus 1 sample, and the error at kth sample will define the total integrated error up to the kth sample. So here the control action is defined by the control action, the change in control action as well as previous control action. So uk minus 1 plus del uk. So the del uk is defined by the PID rules. So here you see the simple control scheme, simple control structure x k plus 1 equal to a x k plus bt uk. Uk is the input uh, at any time in the controller, and yk is the output, and xk is the state. So this is the uk is defined by the control input. uk is defined by the k times the output yk. So this is simple structure in the terms of states. The uh, control input is kctxk, which is related to this equation, because yk is c transpose, c is the transfer matrix, and ct into xk, and here k in place of y k you put the value of this equation 3.15. So you find the kct xk. So control input is depending on the previous uh, the state at the kth sample. So here example of a water level in the tank is given here. The input is at any time the water level is yt, and the desired water level is yt. So the flow rate in the tank is uh, depending on the this area. So it may be the flow rate may be the effect resultant of the function of desired level water level minus actual water level, and also it may depend on the different functions such as PID, integrator, and differentiator of this error in the levels. So here you have again the same information, uh, the error, difference of error, and the sum of the error. So here you see the how and error, and the error is the number of the error view membership function, then the rule R1 will define that the output should be C1 membership function. Okay, so at this is the space partitioning of the input output space. So here you have A1 and B1 C1 you have, and so error is 2, and when error is A2, then finds that the output should be the C2 membership functions. Okay, so we have total 4 membership functions in output, and different rules define out of these 4 membership functions in output. So here again R10 is showing that the whenever the input error and the error is B, then the output will C membership function. Okay. So depending on the required performance, we select the rule basis and the output membership functions. So input space partitioning is required for that. Okay, so there are different types of fuzzy controllers that replicate conventional controllers such as be like fuzzy logic controllers, and I like fuzzy controllers, and D like fuzzy controllers, PI like, and PD like, and PID like. So here you have the control and output, actuating output u equal to, suppose you have the error of the reference voltage and actual voltage, then the duty cycle, suppose duty cycle is the output which superimposes with the triangular membership function, is depending on some constant kp, and the error of the reference and actual output. So the rule is that is high, is the is high, and then there is high. In that condition, in inverter and the duty cycle is output. So in that condition, there so actually inverter is running at low voltage, but our reference is very high. Condition, our duty cycle should be changed to high value, so that converter switching duty cycle is high and the output voltage changes to higher value. So this is a PIP controller is like that, and when we convert it to a fuzzy logic controller, we have this structure. So when you are the error is given as the input, and the executing output, a compensator gain is here. It can be changed according to our required performance. So this portion so this case is kept equal. So this controller defines the output u in the terms of each. So computer has been defined in terms of fuzzy controller. So suppose we in students. Students, can you listen my voice?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, जीवन,
Yes, sir.
आवाज आ रही है क्या?
सर काफी कट कट के आ रही है आवाज। इधर सामने बैठ
ये मुझे लग रहा था कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है क्योंकि हमारे जो लग रहा हो कि कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा अभी and see the screen now. Hello. Hello, yes, see. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, अभी तो सर आधा प्रॉपर आवाज दो सेटिंग किया मैं उसमें सबमिट कर दिया. So if you can see in today this again now if here 3.17 you can see the screen. So according to the logic controller, the input is the data of the desired and expected the output is the control output loop, which is the exact application of the logic controller. And so as I have told you, there is a difference. Reference input voltage is given. Suppose VDC output, reference output is suppose 500 volt, and total range of the voltage is 500, and the actual output voltage is 0. Then the bottom number is 0, 5, high number is very high. Okay, so the reason group members is that whenever the error between the actual output reference output and actual output is error is very high, then in that case we keep the duty cycle high. Whenever the error is high, uh, error is duty cycle is very high, and error is high, then duty cycle is high, and you have the error is duty cycle is medium, and in this way there is a relationship between the input input error and the actual output T. Okay, so the controller is working like this. Okay, and here the actual and this is the error, and you have the fuzzy logic controller C, and the output is duty cycle. So duty cycle will affect duty cycle will now interact with the controller, and so here total P has been replaced in cycle, while the duty cycle is into EK. Okay, so can you see all the screen here, students? Students, can you see the screen? स्क्रीन दिख रही है ना अभी?
हाँ सर दिख रही है.
Okay, so when you use the PD type of controller, here next controller we study the PD like controller. When there is a error, change of error is also there, and there is a error in the actual output and reference output, as well as there is a change in the error. Means whenever there is a positive change in the error, that the error is increasing with the time. So whenever the error is increasing with the time, we need a higher change in the duty cycle. So the general proportional differential controller is given as U equal to Kp into E plus K D into del E. The del E is the change of the previous sample, previous error, and the present error. So actually when we in time domain we are saying kp into e plus dt d by d. So here dt is equal to one sample t, and the uh, del e is equal to the dt is equal to ek minus ek minus 1. So in one sample, the change in the previous sample and present sample is called the del E in the discrete time. So here the PD-like controller can be defined as, here suppose you have error is given by the different membership functions a1, a2, a3, a4, and the actual output is given by b1, b2, b3, b4, and the actual output depending on these error and the this is the linear function, one is single input single output system. So the actual output may not only is not linear here also the actual output depends on the derivative of this error. So this is a generalized control structure for PT type of fuzzy logic controller. Here you have the error, and error is also going to the fuzzy logic controller, as well as the difference of present and previous sample is del E, which is also going to the fuzzy logic controller. So this is a compensating coefficient. So the intensity of the actuating signal to the plant can be changed accordingly. However, the error and the change of error is given to the fuzzy logic controller, and the proportional as well as derivative coefficient is modeled inside the fuzzy logic controller using the rule basis. So this is the PD like of fuzzy logic controller, which depends on the error and change of error. Now we take the example of this duty cycle variation. Suppose V reference is increasing with the time. There is a ramp, and so actual output of the converter is 0. Then you can see here that change there, the error is also increasing with the time. So there is the change in the error. Okay, there is a change in the error. So the required change duty cycle depends on the error kp into error as well as kd into change in the error. So higher the change in the reference voltage, faster the change in the reference voltage. The reference voltage is increasing with the time. We need to increase faster the duty cycle. Okay. So whenever we change the required voltage, reference voltage, we need to change the duty cycle fast. So faster change in the reference voltage requires the faster change in the duty cycle. So this term tracks the fast change in the input voltage, input reference voltage. So suppose the converter output at suppose previously the error was error in the V reference, and actual was 100. V reference was 500, and the actual was 400. So error was 100. Now the converter output is actually decreasing with the time and not tracking the actual reference signal. It is decreasing. So error will be increasing with the time. So to compensate for this decreasing output and increasing error, we need to add a additional control action U, which is proportional to the difference of error. Means there is a the change of error will also impact the control action. So this is D and this is KP. So this is the control action. Okay. So in fuzzy logic controller, this can be modeled as fuzzy logic controller. Okay. So what can be our rules? Suppose we have three values of this error and change of error. Suppose our error is low and the change of error is also low. Okay, then what is the actual output? This is low. Okay, so now our error is medium, but change of error is uh, also medium. Medium. Okay, so here you have the medium, and when error is very high, and the change in the error is also high. In that case, suppose your control actions is very high. Control action is duty cycle. So here it is very low, suppose. And in other case, suppose you have a low value of error and medium value of change of error, then you have low value, and suppose you have the lower value of error and high value of change of error, then it will be medium. Suppose you have the medium error and low value of change of error, then what will be the change? This will be this can be this low value, and this is medium, and it can be high. And suppose you have the high value and you have low value of the change of error, then the duty cycle is medium. And when you have the high value of error and you have the medium value of change of error, then duty cycle is high. And when you have both the values high, error is also increasing with the time and error is there. Okay, so depending on the error and depending on the rise in the error, you need to keep the duty cycle very high. So you can see here that this space is symmetrical, means increasing with the you can see that the slope is rising here, the slope is rising here, and this the maximum slope is available peak point of the all the slopes. This is a type of mountain it is representing, and the peak is maximum peak is available where the error is very high and the change of error is also very high. So you can see a 3D value, 3D type of representation, that this is representing a type of mountain here. Okay, so peak value is at the portion where error is very error is high and error is also high. So at this point, this is the peak point. Okay, so this is the plane here. Okay, so as you increase with the increase the errors and change of error, you go to the peak points. Means the duty cycle D goes to 1. Here duty cycle is 1. Okay, so there is a appropriate control action depending on the proportional and derivative coefficient. ये चीज समझ में आ गई है कैसे वर्क करता है. यू कैन सी हियर 3D 1 x and y are the input and z is the output, and given the input duty cycle, suppose input is very low and y is very low, then the output duty is very low. Suppose here y is very high and x is very high here at this point, then the duty cycle is very high. So this may represent the Fuzzy logic controller for two input single output system for controlling the duty cycle in DC-DC converter. So similarly, you have the PD like fuzzy controller using the far emitter. So the range of the input and outputs you are getting in the database. Suppose can be 1. So all the output membership function will lie within the 0 to 1. Okay. So if you design the 3 membership function, so the range of membership functions may be divided by 3. Okay. So 2 membership will be of 50 range, and 1 membership will be in between of them. Suppose you have the you want to change the duty cycle here, so t equal to 0 to 1. In that condition, you have total variation up to 0 to 1, and you want to design the 3 membership functions. Okay, 5 membership functions. Then you have 5 peak points here. So 1 peak point here, another peak point will be here. Okay, and another peak point will be here, and this and this. So this is medium membership function. This is very high. This is high. This is low, and this is very low. What are the input membership functions? Input membership functions are the error. The maximum error is possible is 500. Suppose maximum possible voltage is 500, and the actual output voltage may be 0. Okay. So the maximum voltage is 500, and at that point the peak value will be there, and you have 3 membership functions. So you have a 0 here and middle point. So you have total 3 membership functions, medium, low, and this is high. Okay. So for the duty cycle, this is duty, and this is E, and the change of error. Suppose change of error per unit second is it is changing the ramp. The ramp is in 1 second 500 volt in 1 second. Okay. So the previous error of 500 comes to 1000 in 1 second. So the change in the error per unit second is 500. So you take here the range of maximum possible range possible by database and knowledge base. You know that the maximum possible change in the error is 500 per second. So you design the membership function for this change in the error. So you have medium, this is high, this is low. Okay, so this is the change in the error. So whenever there is a low and low, then the output will be very low. Whenever there will be medium and medium, then the output will be medium. And whenever there is high and high, the output duty cycle is very high. Okay, and on other cases low and medium, this is low value, low and high, this is medium value. Okay, suppose medium and low, you have low value, medium and medium value, medium and high value. Okay, similarly for high value of air, you have the and low value of this input error, you have medium output. So all the converters can be designed in the terms of fuzzy logical. So स्टूडेंट्स, अभी तक जो इंफॉर्मेशन है सब प्रॉपर्ली सुनाई दी है और ये स्क्रीन पे आई है।
ऑलमोस्ट है।
तो ये कुछ समझ में आया कि नहीं?
आया है सर, पर देखना पड़ेगा।
ओके, so simply you can design a fuzzy logic controller using these three input membership functions, error and change of error, and output membership will have high membership function. हमेशा जब तीन membership function का लेते हैं तो odd number of membership function लेने से ये रहता है कि उनका कॉम्बिनेशन सही बनता है, और आउटपुट में ज़्यादा रखने से उस जो स्पेस होता है वो खाली नहीं होता। मतलब कि हम कुछ अनडिफाइंड ग्रुप्स हैं, जैसे कि लो, मतलब तीन का इनपुट अगर हमने लिया तो लो और लो के लिए डिफाइंड है, हाई और हाई के लिए डिफाइंड है। अगर हम टोटल आउटपुट में 3 मेंबरशिप लेंगे तो मीडियम के लिए मीडियम आएगा, हाई के लिए हाई आएगा, और लो के लिए लो आएगा। लेकिन जब लो और मीडियम का कॉम्बिनेशन होगा तो उसके लिए फिर हम कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? इसके लिए for a smooth variation in the input-output dependency, we need the more number of membership function in output comparatively to the inputs. तो inputs में हम कम membership रखते हैं और outputs में membership function ज़्यादा रखते हैं। ठीक है, तो अभी यहाँ से मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ क्योंकि कुछ देर बाद से मुझे ड्राइव की क्लास लेनी पड़ेगी, है ना। तो मैं अटेंडेंस ले लेता हूँ, कुछ टाइम जो है एक गैप दे देता हूँ कि 11 बजे का है ना।
तो ड्राइव की क्लास आप लेंगे?
हाँ, वही ड्राइव की क्लास हम ही लेंगे। मैं तो सर दर्द कर रहा है, बट क्या करेंगे।
अगले साल आपको ड्राइव भी पढ़ाना पड़ सकता है सर।
हो गया, मौका मिल जाएगा तो हम नहीं पढ़ाएंगे। एक्चुअली इस समय पता है माहौल कैसा चल रहा है? इस समय माहौल ऑटोमेटिक खुद ही तबीयत खराब होने का चल रहा है। कोरोना जो तो है ही, मेरी पूरी तबीयत बहुत खराब है इस समय। कुछ हवा ही ऐसी हो गई इस समय। तो रिकॉर्डिंग सेव कर देते हैं।